Doing a nested if formula in Excel's front end might be complicated, but doing it in VBA coding is a bit easier and you can do as much as you want. So let's just first recap what is a nested if formula. So if I go to a normal if formula, if I said here, let's do it on A2, if I said if A1 is equal to 1, then type the text yes, otherwise type the text no. So that's a normal if formula. So obviously if there's 1 it will be yes, if it's something else it will be no. But now if I want 2 to also be yes, I'll go to the false, I'll create another if formula to say if A1 is equal to 2, then yes, otherwise no. So now I've created the nested if formula where I've got more than one if formula in one. So now it's either 1 or 2 and 3 is not included. And as I can do as many nested if formulas as I want. So this is doing it at the front end. But when you do it in your VBA code, it's a bit easier. So remember in the previous example I showed you how to do a basic if formula. So we can change this. So let's go insert the button again because we will need some sort of an action to be able to get it. I'm going to say record, I'm going to say OK, I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to create, let's say do nested if formula. So now at this stage this button is doing nothing because I've stopped it. So let's go there, we say view code, so there we are. So that's all buttons code. So I'm just going to copy the previous one there. So this one we said if range A1, which is A1 there, is equal to 1, then make A2 equals to 2. So I'm going to change this to say yes, and then we said else. So this was our normal one and then it was no. But now you can input more. So how do you do that? So else if. So first I'm saying if range A1 is 1, then range A2 should be yes. Then I'm saying if range A1 is equal to 2, then range A2 is also equals to yes. And then I'm just going to keep the last else there. So what it will do now, it will start there, say if range A1 is 1, then it will be yes. Then it won't continue. If it's not 1, then it's going to go to the next one. It's going to check. If range A1 is 2, then it's going to say yes. If it's not that, if it's not 1 or 2, it's going to go to the last one. And it's going to say if range A2 is not, if A1 is not 1 or 2, it's just going to say no. So obviously you can do as much as you want. Let's put another one there. Let's put 3. So can you see how easy it is to do another one? I've just copied and pasted. So let's go test it. So currently, if it's 1, let's do that. So can you see it's yes? If it's 2, it will still be yes. If it's 3, it will still be yes. If it's 4, it will now be no. So can you see how easy it is to add to your nested formula here? Much easier than doing it in the front end of Excel. So you can actually create very big formula arrays just by doing this principle. So it's very handy to use.